Hello, my name is Brian Sakine. I'm a sushi chef and I'm passionate about teaching others. I made Secrets of Sushi because I wanted to share my love of sushi with as many people as possible while also raising awareness of the sustainable seafood movement. You're watching this video because you're not yet one of my subscribers to my YouTube channel, which is fine, but I'm totally going to judge you for it later. In addition to being a long overdue trailer for my channel, it's also an apology to my current subscribers and an exciting announcement for the future of this channel. I need to apologize to my subscribers because I haven't been posting very much content in the past year. I also haven't been very consistent with my videos either. Around the time I started this channel, I also got into an exciting new hobby, which is fire spinning. The more I learned about spinning fire, the more I fell in love. So much so that I started ignoring my videos. I spent the past year traveling around the country, learning, performing, and teaching people about fire spinning in my free time. After a while, I started to question if being a YouTuber was really something that I wanted to do. It takes an enormous amount of work and effort to make a good channel. I started to doubt myself and my love for sushi, but after some serious consideration, I discovered that I'm not just passionate about sushi specifically, but that I'm actually passionate about teaching. So with this new discovery, I decided to come back to YouTube with a fresh perspective. I want to take what I've learned about teaching a movement-based skill to other people and apply those new perspectives to making sushi. I want to branch out on the kinds of videos on my channel. I want to start making videos to teach people how to spin fire as well. But don't worry, I promise that I'll make just as much sushi videos than before, if not way more. And everything will be categorized into playlists so you can easily find what you're looking for. My goal is to publish one sushi video and one fire video each month, with the plan to eventually bump that up to one video of each category each week. I'm excited about making videos again, and I hope that you'll follow me along with my journey. Click on the subscribe button to stay up to date with every video that I post. My name is Brian Sakine from secretsofsushi.com, and thank you for watching.